Hello, River Lotus here again. So let's see. We have already figured out how to create a meeting or create a series of meetings. Now we need to figure out how to get them from this Zoom platform into our Google Classroom platform. And that's what we are doing here. I'm going to take myself and drop me all the way down on the bottom right-hand corner so we can see our page. Again, how do we get from our Zoom to our Google Classroom? Make sure you are logged into your Zoom account. Click pause here if you still need to do that. Once you are in your Zoom account, click on My Account in the right-hand corner. Take yourself over onto the left and click on Meetings. When you click on Meetings, you are able to see all of your meetings listed. You find the meeting that you need to copy and paste into your Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on this meeting. That's one that I have coming up next. And this is the page you're going to see. You will scroll down to Join URL. You will highlight your Join URL and you can Control C or right click and copy. Then you may go into your Google Classroom. Hopefully that's already up on your screen. If not, pause the video here. Go into your Google Classroom. I will go ahead and click into my A7 classroom. Now this is all up to you, your personal preference and how you manage your Google Classroom. Some will post it in their stream. If you wish to post it in your stream, you come down and click on Share Something with your class. You can click on Add, click on Link, Control V to add a link, or right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the link. And then you will have the link here for them. This is what you write to your class. Click on the link below and I will see you in class on Tuesday at 9:40. That's what I'll put. So there's an example there. You will then click on Post and then it is in your stream. If you want to post it in your classwork, click on Classwork, click Create. I like to create a material. You can create an assignment. It's up to you again. It's on how you manage your Google Classroom. Click on Material. I would date mine. So today would be 3/17 class and click Add, Link. Again, it can be Control V or right click, paste, and add link. You add your description, click on a link below, and see you in class at whatever time. And then post. And you can see here we have 317 class as a material for them. You can also see I have it in my stream. So that is one way to share your class Zoom meeting information. Some of you may see this on the right-hand side. It says copy invitation. This is a lot of information. It's great information. You can copy this meeting invitation. You can see it's copied to my clipboard. Then you click cancel. You go back into your Google Classroom. You can create a material or assignment, however you want to do it. And then in the description, you will paste that information. Again, Control V or right-click paste. This is all the information for the class, and then you can modify it in here if you would like. There's also the link here. When you copy the invitation, the link is not active. So you may run into problems with your students sending message after message, I can't get in, I can't get in. That's because this right here is not an active link. You will have to highlight it, Control C or right-click copy, and then come on down to Add and click Add Link. Control V or right-click paste and add your link. So then you have your meeting invitation with all of the details and then the link. Note that it will say every week, each date, and the time for the meeting. If that's too much information for you or you're worried that that's too much information for your students, you can go in, you can delete that out, the information you don't want in, and shorten the invitation. And then you can go ahead and post that information. So that is a couple of ways of how to put your meeting into Google Classroom.